This issue will explain to you the alignment of folding knives. The video is longer. It is explained into paragraphs. Favorite friends like follow favorites. Show as not to get lost. We will now enter the folder and click on the pickup test. After entering, let's check the position of the folding knife. We first remove the small platen. Remove these 3 fixing screws. Remove the small platen. After removing the small platen, click here directly to skip step 7. Then the large pressure plate comes to the folding knife side. Press the green start button first. Click, again, let the clasp knife down, so you can see it clearly. The flatness, here. Word here, there are 2 corners on the left and right sides of the folding knife. 1 corner on the left and right sides of the fixed material baffle. That is to say, the folding knife is down, to be flush with these 2 corners. Press down the large board with a little force, so that you can see it clearly. The clearance on both sides of this folding knife should be the same. The gap between the folding knife and this material baffle, we decide according to the thin material and thick material. Small gap between thin materials, large gap between thick materials. So let's say we want thin material and thick material. Without fine tuning, our quality requirements are relatively less strict. We can take the middle value. In that case, it can be used for thin materials and thick materials. This is a step up. This is moving forward. After we align the front and rear jack knives, next, you need to align the left and right folding knives. Left and right folding knife, we are based on. The distance between the front and rear folding knives is determined. That is to say, after the front and rear folding knives are adjusted, when adjusting the left and right folding knives, the left and right folding knives should be in the middle of the front and rear folding knives. The front and rear gaps should be the same. The front and rear gaps should be the same. This is the gap. We will make the gap smaller for the thin material. This break will be wider. Our left and right folding knives will be narrower for thick materials. The gap will be bigger. Choose the appropriate left and right folding knife according to the thickness of the fabric. So let's look at the up and down distances. Go to step 12 in the pickup test. Step 12. Let's go in from here. You can see a distance up and down the folding knife. The up and down distance of this folding knife, it can be very clear here. You can see, for pocket knives, the up and down distance of the 4 folding knives before and after the left and right can be seen. The up and down distance is also based on thin material and thick material. To adjust its spacing, we will have a smaller spacing for the thin material. Lift the pocket knife up a little. We'll go down a little bit for the thick material. If we say we want to be thinner, a slightly thicker material can be used. So we're going to go somewhere in the middle. In this case, we will be thinner. We can do anything medium and thick. But the premise is that the quality requirements are relatively not too strict. If we want to make an effect standard, in the case of refinement, we need to fine-tune the folding knife distance. We need to be very standard. If the material is thin, we will make it smaller. Thin material will probably in a gap of about 1 millimeter. If the material is thick, it needs to be judged according to the material, maybe 1.5 毫米, maybe 2毫米. Just be flexible to adjust it. You can see it from here. To determine its distance, this is a standard parameter.